Welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll explore how to control who can send you invitations to connect on the LinkedIn mobile app. Managing your connection preferences is important if you want to keep your LinkedIn experience private and limited to people you actually know. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone. Next, tap on your profile icon located at the top left. Then, scroll down and tap on Settings. After that, tap on Data Privacy. From there, choose Invitation to connect. Now you'll see several options that let you decide who can send you connection requests. You can choose between everyone on LinkedIn, only people who know your email address, or only those who appear in your imported contacts list. Select the option that best fits your privacy needs, and LinkedIn will automatically save your choice. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to the channel, liking the video, and sharing it with others. Thanks for watching.